So I have made a cube.
Show that whatever. Jasmine, you have made what this footwear. Oh, okay,
Yeah,
Jasmine,
the
nice.
formal shoes that you said.
See, Jasmine only.
I tried making that, but it didn't turn out to be good.
Okay, okay, I'll tell you where, but most of things you have got it. Can you see the shape in the side? Everyone, look at the shape and the back and all this thing of this shoes, the one she has made. Look at the curve, how the curve perfectly it's coming, and
I
it's just
didn't have
because of
whole black paper, so I gave it different colors, colored funky look.
that's fine. I would like to wear this kind of maybe on Monday in office where everyone is like sleeping is just ऐसे funky जूते पहन के चले जाओ फिर देखो सबका नींद खुल जाएगा just we should do some such things every Monday. Everyone is wearing like weird color combinations. So but we are talking about the shape. Can you see? Everyone can see the shape of these shoes. Look at the back, how nicely curved the back is. तुम लोग कैसे ऐसे मरे हुए से जूते बनाते हैं? Do one thing. Inside this you can use foam. उसकी थोड़ी सी कुशनिंग के लिए और थर्मोकॉल को उस शेप में कट कर लो, अंदर से चिपका दो. कुछ
Okay.
ऐसे कुशनिंग किया ना, इसको और ज्यादा रियलिस्टिक बनाओ. How much time did you take to make this?
I guess I took maybe 1.5 hour or like 1 hour 45 minutes.
And it is because you were figuring out how to do that.
Yeah,
But if you make in the second time, you know where to cut and where to stick. It's just a hardly couple of stitches and pasting, right?
yeah, exactly.
So second time it's not gonna take more than 1 hour.
I
And
hope
if you
so.
do, yeah, it will not. It will not. You need to try. You need to try to make this much, because how much like two of the purple one, or maybe it's not two, like with one also you can do that. बीच में स्लिट
No,
दे के उसको कर्व कर दो. अच्छा, दो करना ही पड़ेगा.
yeah,
हाँ, मतलब you
दो करना पड़ेगा.
yeah can do. And पिंक वाला एक है
Mm,
and एक येलो वाला है. तुमको येलो वाला बताऊंगा. I'll tell you like how to make it curved much better, but still you have got it much better till now. And look at that small detail from inside. That's nice. Is that top of this opening thing is openable like that? Yeah, just put some holes on both of the side. Yes, nice. Put some holes both of the side.
mm.
Keep a little bit gap between them, because if you observe the shoes, there are little bit gap, a
Yeah,
very
yeah.
little gap there. Keep a little gap, put a hole and put some rope there, right, for the lace. So what side detailing you can do later on. Of course, you must have thought of that. Okay, so you can do later on. I like the back. Show me the back. Show me the back of this. Yeah. Okay. It's nice. But the white part you can make it very thin like that, like almost maybe half an inches.
This right?
Yeah. Yes. Ali, you're speaking something.
Yes, so I have made a drawing.
Okay. Show your drawing. 10, 12. Okay. Very nice. You made these cubes. You're muted. Riktan, show your model.
It is of 1 inch and it is of 2 inch.
Okay.
So the one that I showed you yesterday.
Yeah.
Can you see it?
Yes. Explain what are these?
Okay, so I made an isolation ward for a COVID-19 patient. And this
Uh-huh.
model has a bed right here, which is on wheels, so it's portable. There's a ventilating machine on the side, and on the other side there's a cupboard which can be used to keep the patient's medicine, clothes, etc. And right over here there is this food portal which can be opened like this to avoid contact because the patient is in quarantine. The food could be supplied in that manner from outside.
Okay, so that's the only access, and there is one door also where
There is one
you
door.
can open just one time, right? Once admitted, after that the communication will happen through that door, that small window.
No, so the door is on another wall, but I made only two
Uh,
walls. I couldn't show the door.
okay, get it. So what is this the window for?
The window is a food portal for giving the patient
Oh,
food.
food portal to
Yeah.
deliver the food to the patient. Okay. Very minimal. Just show me from the top like that. Top से दिखाना उसको. Okay. Okay, it's looking like it's looking like a hospital bed. White and ऐसे पतले से बीमार जैसे दिखते हैं hospital में.
So how can I make actual wheels? I didn't have time, so I just stuck cutouts.
Actual wheels, I'll tell you. There's like super easy idea to make wheels and all this stuff. I'll tell you. Everyone, did you see what she has made? Now tell me, she deserves to be designer or you deserve to be designer? Who deserves to be designer? I'm talking to people who hasn't done anything. The answer is clear. You know what I'm saying. But there is a good news that there is still time. Hope you can understand, especially to those people. It's a curse on designing industry, and especially you know that the people. Okay, there is a harsh reality in the designing here. If you're not a visionary, if you're not working, and more than 50% students comes out like that, they don't have job, nothing. And especially in this condition, people need visionary designers who can do something. So this is a harsh reality. If you're still not just doing here and there, sleeping like this and all this stuff, there is a dark future here. You know, एक छोटे से जीव ने सबकी औकात दिला दी. And
So,
there
is there any update on when the exam is going to be held?
It's not yet. Just keep checking on NIFT website, but it's gonna be probably not in May. I don't think so. It's gonna be happening in May. Maybe last week of the May we can expect, or the first week of of June. So you have ample amount of time to practice. But here is, I don't care whether you are getting succeed in NIFT or any design college or not. But if you're working, I'm telling you, there is a way. There are so many people who are in fact leading the industry. They haven't even went to any kind of design colleges. Design colleges, you're going, you're taking degree and everything, and if you're not working, then it's of no use. But if you're going in design college, if you're studying also nicely, your lifestyle itself is like a designer. Like 2 days you had in leisure and you did nothing. You just by sleeping or just fooling around. And those people whose life itself is like that now, and you'll see the difference in these people. See, I'm telling you all these things to get inspired. You just see the normal days work of these people. I'm not telling you, just take it as an example, not as your classmates or something. Sometime happens, no, if your classmate is working good, you just start feeling jealousy and all this stuff. No, don't feel like that. I'm just telling for the sake of inspiration. Look at the work of Navyas and Riktan and like sometimes Jasmine, sometimes इसका भी दिमाग कुछ हो जाता है, but sometimes सही काम कर रहा होता है. And Pritika's work, you look at that. Amrita's work, you see. Although Amrita भी थोड़ी बहुत कभी आलस कर जाती है. But yeah, the whole idea is look at how they are using their time. No homework. That's why I did not give homework. जानबूझ के मैंने homework नहीं दिया था इस weekend के लिए. Just to see what you all are doing. But what can we do? Let's start the class. I hope I'm just giving you indication. सुधर जाओ अभी भी. There is a
Sir,
time. Yes.
sir, can I say something?
Yes, Avigna.
I was trying to figure out new ways to make shoes.
Okay. You have it.
So yeah, like I made one,
Uh-huh. Wait.
and
Well, that looks something good. Yeah.
so can you see?
Yes, I can see that. I can see that.
You can basically you can remove this, and you can put it on back.
That's really good. That's really good. That's really good. I like the curve and all this stuff also, and it's perfectly balanced. Just show me. Keep on the ground only and show me the sole of this thing. Nice. Even the front part you can do little bit larger.
What so?
And you did it by yourself. You by figuring out how to do that, right?
Yeah. It took a lot of time, but I did it. I tried many times.
How much time did it take?
This took like 2 hours,
Okay.
including the guessing part and figuring out part.
How much time this will take? Again, if you make this?
It might take lesser time, like 1 hour.
Yeah, it might take much more less than that. Just couple of stripes and can use it. Okay. One thing you need to get it.
Okay.
The front part should be little bit longer. Yours is ending like that. Yours is going like this. Okay. Till here only. It's little small relatively, but it should be of the same size of the hill.
So which
Okay.
part?
The flat part which is touching the ground.
Okay.
Okay. So little bit longer. Rest everything is beautiful. The function is beautiful. Nice. Why won't you show? Why you're not showing? You've done such a
No,
wonderful job. Show me the hill. Show me the hill
this
from the back. Just from the base.
from the base, like
Yeah.
this.
Okay. Yeah. And इसको पीछे से दिखाओ जैसे चप्पल से मारते हैं ना. उठाओ उसको.
Like this.
Lift it up. Yeah. Show me like that. Okay. Nice. Nicely designed.
Sir,
Okay. Very good.
and I was trying to make cap.
Cap
I
also.
tried
Do you have
many.
it?
No, I'm still not getting it. I tried so many times. I tried like 5 times.
Okay. It's very easy. I'll tell you. You were there in the class that day, right?
I was there, and I'm still not able to figure out.
Okay. Anyone else having problem with the cap and those sort of things? हाथ उठाओ, किसी को प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है कैप बनाने? Anyone else? अबे गधों, पहले do your experiment by yourself. फट से हाथ उठा दिया. Yeah, of course I asked, but
Sir, I
sorry,
tried doing the hat. The problem was, as you said, the proportions weren't right, and I tried doing it like 2-3 times. But then every time, it's like the 6 flaps were not enough. You needed like 7 or 8 in order to get the correct round. So that's kind of a problem that I was facing.
yeah, I can see what kind of problem you're going through. It's just a measurement problem only, but you'll be getting in 6 flap only. I'll tell you how.
Sir, I was getting in 4 flaps.
Yeah, you can get in 3 also.
3. Yeah, once I tried, it was like 4 flaps, and the second time I tried, it was 3 flaps.
I'll send you some what do you call it? Some patterns. You just follow those patterns,
Okay.
cut it, and उसके बाद paste करके देखो. You can understand the ratio and proportion as well. All right, new chapter today. We are
Sir,
going to make.
one more thing. Sir,
Okay.
I was practicing lines and circles.
But that practice you have to do every day. If you're doing that, you're helping yourself. You're making yourself much more stronger. People take inspiration. Okay. I also do. I did a line practice everything while I was attending one meeting. So I had like almost like 1 hour right there on the computer. Things were when I was not involved in the meeting, I was not talking. I just opened Illustrator and उसके बाद मेरे पास pad है ही, like this pad and this pen. इसी से मैं line का practice कर रहा था. Line, circle, everything. So I still do. Everyone should do. If you're not doing that, you're not a designer.
Sir, I'm
There's
drawing
something.
more pictures.
Yeah, nice. So next thing is a restaurant, dhaba, or those other things. Okay. Now, I wanted you to make. Okay, you have 20 minutes. You just make the counter of dhabas, or let's say KFC. Everyone has been to KFC, KFC, McDonald's, and Domino's. All of you have been to that.
Yes.
Any of these?
Yes, sir.
Everyone, right? Okay. Make the counter. Right? You have 20 minutes to make. Quickly, start with the paper and make that counter.
Sir, 3D or drawing?
3D. I need the drawing. Make the counterpart because in the restaurant you'll be having chair and पीछे में oven वगैरह रहता है and those kiosk where do your billing and stuff. You have to make the human figures and all this stuff. Some people are serving food like that. Some people are eating food like that. So everything you have to make. That means your counter should be done in within 15 minutes. Okay, with 15 minutes also I'm telling like it's huge. Your counter should not take more than 10 minutes. Okay, चलो बनाओ, फिर तुमको सेकेंड सेशन में तुम्हारी क्लास में उसके बाद. बहुत परेशान कर रहे तुम लोग, अब मैं परेशान करूंगा तुम्हें.
Please everyone switch on your video. How we can see that you guys are doing work or not?
गौरव सर, आई थिंक निविया को कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, एक बार
Yeah,
देखिएगा.
Nivea messaged me. It's okay, fine. The students who have problem, I can understand. I told every student to put your profile picture also. No one did that. Ipsita, Pritika, Tanisa, Riktan, Ritanya, Shloka. You guys can see my profile picture or Vision sir's profile picture. Make a profile picture for yourself.
Not like mine one is really weird.
Yeah, little bit weird. It's okay, fine. So just make one profile picture that's gonna be good photo.
Students, please help गौरव सर. परेशान मत करो, बहुत ज्यादा परेशान कर दो तुम लोग गौरव सर. You have 2 minutes left. I hope everyone is done with the counter. second session is going to start because this will cut now. I want everyone to be ready completely.